Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan. This is a quick little cook with an interesting cut of chicken leg I got from Seafood City, the local Filipino market here in San Diego, California, and I believe in a couple other spots in the country. But these are some chicken legs that they cut this way. So it's little medallions of some big chicken legs that they call chicken tips, and I'm about to throw them in some smoke. Check this out. Okay, so we got this char griller legacy fired up. We sitting at about a good 325. I just did some little beef bulgogi. I didn't do no video on that because I just cooked it up real quick. So these are the chicken leg tips. As you can see, they just took the chicken leg and cut it. They left some skin on there, but I'm wondering if the skin is going to stay intact or is it going to like shrivel up like a thong. Um, this particular bag, these ones right here, are seasoned with Filipino Adobo mix, and that's it. I just put this in there, put the whole pack in there, mix it up, let it sit about 2 hours in the refrigerator, and then let it come to room temp. So we're gonna lay these bad boys on there. So I had a little technical difficulty there. These are seasoned with Island Boy Spices Tropical Flame and Island Boy Spices Virgin Island Gold Lemon Pepper Seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this lid. Actually, I'm gonna check them because I got the fire up pretty high. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and close this lid, let them do their thing. I'm gonna use all charcoal. I'm not gonna put any wood chips in there. And we're gonna see what it do. Nah, I'm lying, actually. We're gonna lower that down some just like that. I found my bag of hickory. Hemp infused smoking buddies, Texas made wood chips. And this is the hickory. So we're gonna just sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. We got a good little chunk in there. Let's throw that in the mix. All right, I'm gonna close this up, let it do its thing, and we're gonna be back in a minute. It looks like we already got some good color. We're already getting some good color on there. Look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice quick little grill session. Yes. So I got these bad boys pulled. As you can see, chicken leg tips. Excuse my little cup. Yeah. So these right here are the ones seasoned with the Filipino Adobo mix. These right here are the ones seasoned with the Island Boy spices, a combination of his tropical flame, little jerk seasoning he got, and the Virgin Island Gold lemon pepper. So yeah, we're gonna let these cool off and then we're gonna be back with a taste. Okay, so we are done here. Got a little chicken leg tip and a piece of that, I said bulgogi beef, but it was some carne asada marinated in a Calbee sauce. So those who know the difference know what's up. That came out good. I just marinated it with some onion powder, some garlic powder. Did it have to drive that fast? A little bit of MSG, some black pepper. Let it sit about 3 hours in the refrigerator. So this is the, I'm gonna go with the Island Boy Spices one right here. I don't know if you can see that. Got a little smoke ring. I like that lemon pepper you make. It's not, it doesn't taste like it got any oil in it or any kind of artificial additive to make it taste like lemon. You can use like a lemongrass, man. It is there and it's subtle. And then you get the tropical flame, the little heat, the subtle heat from the little jerk rub. You know what? My man, Paulie Detmer, cat I met online, uh, took a trip to the Philippines with his wife, I believe, visit some in-laws. And he was telling me about the food out there. And he was saying when he ordered the chicken, he tell him no chop. I see what you mean, Paulie. This was cool, but not an ideal way you want to cut a chicken leg. The butterfly chicken leg, I mean, that's cool, but you got to have a real sharp knife and patience. And I did a video on that. So this is you see how I'm holding it? That's the chicken leg. That's probably like the middle of the chicken leg before it break off into the ankle. This is what the Palmana adobo mix. I'm gonna put no extra seasoning on this or nothing. I just use the mix. I want to see what it tastes like. It's all right. When I do that, I gauge to see what other seasoning I could add to another one or a liquid marinade or something without making it salty. So I know what I could do with this. I got something else. So what I have here is a little blackened shrimp corn chowder. Got the bacon in there. And this is a sweet potato cornbread that my wife made. Throughout the course of the cook, I had about 3 pieces of this cornbread already, so I know how good it is. I've been waiting to taste this chowder. Mm. With the shrimp, you got some leeks in there, some bacon, corn. I see a little carrot. Man, when you really want to put some stank on it, you get a little bit of that chowder and some of the cornbread while you're still chewing on the bite with the shrimp. A lot of mountains and shit out here I like to look at. You know what? This has made everything better. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Appreciate y'all joining me on the journey of this cook. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Help the boy out. Leave a comment. Help the boy out. Keep your boy going through that old algorithm. And don't forget to follow me on other social media networks. Not All Smoke 78 on Instagram. Not All Smoke on TikTok. Keenan, been the smoke with Keenan, representing Black Smoke Barbecue. Y'all be cool out there. One.